Hi, I'm John.
Hi, I'm Maria.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to your weekly Happy Place. If you're new here, please subscribe, ring the bell to be notified every time the show drops, and hit the like button if you love Disney. A special shout out to all of our group members of Disney Cruising Australia and Australians Travelling to Disney on Facebook. You can also catch us on Instagram at Jam Life Adventures and at DNewsJam. Also, we have a new merchandise store, and I'll put a link below if you want to check it out. All purchases of the quality products in the store will help us bring the magic of Disney to you every week. On this week's show, the future starts now with Disneyland Forward. Halfway to Halloween, we share some exciting news. Maria's back with her Disney Cruise Line tips and tricks, and this week she shows us how to turn your Navigator app from at home to onboard mode. Disney's new private destination, Lookout Cay, everything you need to know. It's another jam-packed show, so let's get into it. The Anaheim City Council has given final approval to a massive $1.9 billion expansion proposal known as Disneyland Forward. City Council members voted 7-0 during last week's meeting. So what does this mean for Disneyland moving forward, pun intended? Well, this is what we've heard from Disney so far. Now it's time for the next chapter in the legacy of Disneyland Resort. We're ready to build on decades of innovation, creativity, and storytelling to bring new, exciting experiences for our guests. The possibilities are boundless, and I can't wait to see what Disney Imagineers dream up next. We have also had some art from Disney of a new Avatar land in Disneyland that seems to follow The Way of Water, the second film in the series. So this would make it entirely different to the Avatar land in Animal Kingdom, which is great. There is quite a bit of land available to Disney, so the possibilities really are endless. Together with theme park attractions, we could also see a new hotel and an expansion of the downtown Disney shopping district. With the proposed $1.9 billion as an estimate and the more than 4 times Galaxy's Edge sized land now available to them, we could see something like Fantasy Springs District in Tokyo Disney Sea, which had a very similar budget of $2 billion. We could see Toy Story Land, Coco or Encanto. One thing's for sure, I feel like it's going to be a very exciting D23 in August. What do you want them to build for Disneyland Forward? Leave a comment below and let us know. We always love to hear from you. We just passed the halfway to Halloween point, which means there is less than 6 months to go until spooky time. So what's happening across the Disney parks this year? Well, here's what Disney recently had to say about it. Walt Disney World. Experience favorite entertainment, new offerings, and trick-or-treating during the highly anticipated return of Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party at Magic Kingdom Park in Walt Disney World Resort. Get ready to strike a pose with Mickey and Minnie in their new costumes during the party. Meet Bruno alongside Mirabelle in the Fantasy Garden, and even show off your best villain dance moves in the Decadance Party inspired by the upcoming Disney Plus movie The Rise of Red. During this year's separately ticketed event, which will kick off on August 9 and will take place on select nights through to October 31st. And tickets recently went on sale for the event, so make sure you get in fast. Disneyland Resort. With more nights than ever before, Oogie Boogie Bash, a Disney Halloween party, will return to Disney California Adventure Park for the 2024 Halloween season. With plenty of villains lurking at every corner, for a frightfully fun time at this separately ticketed after-hours event, guests of all ages are invited to wear their favorite Halloween costume and enjoy an evening of immersive treat trails, unique character sightings, special entertainment, Theme merchandise, food and beverages available only during Oogie Boogie Bash nights, and so much more. Admission to the After Hours event also includes entrance to Disney California Adventure Park 3 hours before the party begins and unlimited Disney PhotoPass digital photo downloads from the party. We'll be returning on 27 select enchanting nights from Sunday, August 25th to October 31st. Be sure to check out the bone-chilling Halloween merchandise preview, which we'll link below for an early look at some of the merchandise you'll be able to find at Oogie Boogie Bash. And stay tuned to Disney News Jam and Australians travelling to Disney in the coming weeks for even more details for this year's Oogie Boogie Bash, including when tickets go on sale. Halloween on the high seas sets sail again for Disney Cruise Line in 2024. This year, Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, and Donald Duck don new costumes for the celebration. Mickey and Minnie are both dapper and spooky in their batty ensembles, and never to be outdone, Donald has put together a gentleman spider costume sure to impress. His spidery legs are ready to boogie. Check out the crew in their newest ensembles, have a scary good time at Mickey Masquerade Trick or Treat, and nibble on frightening eats and drinks on Halloween on the high seas. Sailing setting sail on select dates in September and October. Disneyland Paris. Your upcoming visit to Disneyland Paris just got a little ghastly. You heard it here first. Disney Halloween Festival will be from October 1st to November 3rd. Relish in the spellbinding atmosphere and the return of fan favorite shows Mickey's Halloween Celebration. Meet your favorite Disney villains, experience the iconic Phantom Manor, and so much more. Tokyo Disney Resort. You're invited to Disney Halloween at Tokyo Disney Resort. Enjoy brand new theming at Tokyo Disneyland, new entertainment, and more from October 1st to November 7th. Can't wait? Catch your favorite Disney villains year-round at Tokyo Disneyland in the Club Mouse Beat and Mickey's Magical World shows. Right then, this coming Wednesday, flights to LAX and Disneyland come in at $1,673, and flights to Orlando International Airport at Disney World come in at $1,963. These flights are one-way in Australian dollars, and better deals can be had if you book further out. So make sure you book early, and that's flights and accommodation. It does wonders for the anxiety. Also, if you're looking for ground transport after your flight in LA for Disneyland or Orlando for Disney World, please head over to our partner, Western Executive Car Services. Mention our Facebook group, Australians Travelling to Disney, which will guarantee you great service and helps us bring the magic of Disney to our group. We'll put details below so you can get in touch with them before you travel to the parks. Let's go over to Maria now for her Disney Cruise Line tips and tricks. And this week, it's all about how to turn your Navigator app from home to onboard mode.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to this week's Disney Cruise tip. How to turn your Disney Cruise Line Navigator app from at-home mode to onboard mode. Let's get straight into it. As soon as you've booked your Disney Cruise reservation, make the most out of the magic and download the complimentary Disney Cruise Line Navigator app and link it to your reservation straight away. After you arrive at the terminal or board your ship, transform the app into onboard mode. While on board, use the app to complete the safety drill, view and explore plans, book activities, chat on board, contact guest services, and so much more. Here's how to transform the app. First, connect to the Disney Cruise Line guest Wi-Fi. Next, allow permissions on your device. On an iOS device, go to Settings, scroll down to Disney Cruise Line, then allow location and turn on local network. On an Android device, go to Settings, select Apps, then tap on Disney Cruise Line. Then tap Permissions, allow location, and turn on nearby devices. Congratulations, your device should now be ready to make the most out of the magic. If you're still having trouble, there's a few more tips to help you out. On iOS devices, turn off VPN and turn off Private Relay. On Android devices, make sure you clear your cache. Remember that you can always talk to any nearby crew members for assistance. Have a magical voyage. And that's it for our Disney Cruise Line tip for this week. Now it's over to you, John.
Thank you for that, Maria. With only 150 days until the wonder is back in our waters, we cannot wait to see you Disney cruising once again. Are you ready to experience the wonders at Disney Lookout Cay, where you'll find yourself surrounded by unmatched Disney entertainment merged with authentic Bahamian culture? In just a few weeks, guests will set foot on the shores of Disney Lookout Cay at Lighthouse Point for the first time. And today we're revealing some of the magical entertainment at this beautiful destination. Rush a Junkanoo celebration at Disney Lookout Cay. With the call of a conch shell, a local Junkanoo group will sweep you and your family up in Rush, a Junkanoo celebration at Disney Lookout Cay. Introducing you to the signature festival of the Bahamas, filled with colourful parades of dancing and music. You'll have the chance to experience the joy of an authentic Junkanoo rush out as performers parade to the Goombay Cultural Centre, where Mickey and Minnie Mouse and Donald and Daisy Duck will dance along, encouraging guests to join the vibrant celebration that brings the heartbeat of the Bahamas to life. Disney Fun in the Sun Beach Bash. You'll have a ball at the Play Pavilion during the Disney Fun in the Sun Beach Bash, a beach party full of games you can play with Disney friends, show how low you can go in Goofy's Good Day Limbo, test your skills at Pluto's Pineapple Ring Toss, and cool off with a splash at Chippendale's Water Brigade, all to the sound of new Bahamian renditions of Disney tunes. These games are sure to delight the whole family, with the spectacular shores of Urethra as your backdrop. Disney Cruise Line also revealed a first look at a map of Disney Lookout Cay at Lighthouse Point. Upon arrival, you'll be able to fuel up with a tropical iced coffee in mangroves and go. Get your first souvenir at First and Last Chance Stand, then begin taking in the natural wonders and celebrating the vibrant culture of the Bahamas. Off for a walk or bike ride? You'll love the Nature Trail, where you'll find stunning views of Urethra's lush greenery and coastline, and maybe even spot some wildlife. Looking to cool off and play? The Family Beach and Rush Out Gush Out water play will be full of family fun by the water. Serenity Bay Barbecue and Blue Hole Bar will be your relaxing sanctuary. All of the exploring and enjoying you'll want to start planning for your delicious lunch at True True and True True 2 Barbecue, and ice cold drinks from several bars across the destination. So now let's look at the latest construction updates, and it looks nearly ready. The Cabanas. Nestled along the sand dunes of Serenity Bay, the vibrantly coloured architecture of Serenity Bay Cabanas match the Mabrika Cove Cabanas, which sit across Disney Lookout Cay at the arrival point of the destination. Steps away from Serenity Bay Barbecue and the area's beach bar, these cabanas will be available for rent to offer a retreat for adults to take in Urethra's stunning sand dunes and shimmering ocean waves. Local art. The bright turquoise ocean here in Urethra is beautiful, yes, but don't forget to look up while you're exploring Disney Lookout Cay. Art from talented local Bahamian artists will take shape throughout all of the spaces at the destination, including intricate wood carvings inspired by artist Andre John and colourful murals by painter Dorman Stubbs, as seen here. True True 2 Barbecue. True True 2 Barbecue is a beautiful example of the architecture designed to look like oversized seashells scattered across the shores of Disney Lookout Cay. These uniquely designed dining pavilions will offer shade from your day of adventures on the nature trail or the beach, serving up views of Bahamian art, nature, and of course, delicious lunch. Disney Lookout Cay at Lighthouse Point is also full of native animals and plants, and Disney's conservation experts have been working for many years to help create this magical cruise destination where nature thrives. And lastly, if you enjoyed our earlier sneak peek at Mickey and Minnie Mouse's new designer looks for their visits to Disney Lookout Cay at Lighthouse Point, then you'll want to see the special reveal of every character look for the destination. And that's it for today's show. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and hit the like button. Marie will be back soon with Disney Merchandise and Fashion Top 10. And until then, don't forget to spread the jam.